about you?
Not quite good. Tonsils, then fever, and also last 4 days I can't sleep. So there is a lot of issues. But you are looking fresh.
Don't have time to be tired because I'm running from one thing to another one. So I couldn't stop for a minute and say, now I'm tired. No.
But
Next,
basically,
next, 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 next.
when the first time we meet today, you are looking much more fresh.
Yeah, thank you.
Chicken
Thank you.
lollipop.
Okay. So let's make a short review. What is our situation? And let's just give a quick look on LinkedIn.
Hmm.
Let's see. Let's see that we sang. I have a couple of questions.
Hmm.
And then we will move to the outreach.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the LinkedIn campaign analytics. Yeah.
So is there any place that I know in which stage the system is running, what she's doing in a bigger picture, not per person, like I enter into the to the campaign and to the list and see if it's ended, whatever.
And like there is no such things here. Like the last action you can see, like Rupesh Garg accepted your invitation, and if you click here on analytics, you can see the data or what is running. Like we
Yes, but
sent.
I don't know who are the one that accept invitation, the four. I need to go down and see each one of
Yes,
them, right?
yes.
Okay.
Like
Now,
here,
based on
you
your,
can see, like Rupesh Garg has accepted your invitation, Stephen Morris. So you need to scroll down and
okay,
like page by page, you need to see like what actually the tools is doing today, yesterday, what they do. Like you can see commented on the post, David Maman. So one by one, if you just go, you can check.
I I understand. So based off your experience, the accepted invitation, the percentage, and do you think that the campaign is running on the right path, in the
Yes,
right track?
it's running good path. And when you pull out these leads on the sale from the sales navigator, did you like enable the option for who posted last 90 days on the LinkedIn?
Um, I can search on Sales Navigator to see who are the ones that post in the last 90 days. Yes.
Uh, then I think the number is good, and the way we are going, it's good. Every day I check here, you can see like 26.7, so it's increasing. It will be increased more. Like we just send 15 connection requests, 4 is accepted, so that's a good number. That's a good number.
Okay. Okay. So I continue with the currently in the next month, I continue with the same structure of expanding my US members.
Yeah, possible, no problem. And we can run. No, it will be not good if we run another campaign, and because we have only one LinkedIn account, so it will be a pressure. So that's why it's good. Like if we just continue one campaign, and if it's finished, then we move on to the new campaign. It will be good. If we have
Yeah,
multiple
okay.
LinkedIn account, then we can run multiple campaign at a
No,
time.
it's too. How many? What is the percentage from 840 people in the list?
Yes.
Is there a way to see how many uh, people he cover?
Yes, only five. You can see 5 leads ended. That means 5 leads are already completed the process. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, And the leads,
Only 5.
yes, 5 is completed. Also like 835 is left. We just visited the profile. After 1-2 days, again they will engagement, they will post a comment. So all of the step takes time.
Okay, so I ask you, and please refresh my memories. How many direct message without email I can send on top of this?
Like 15, 20, or maybe 30, 25. But we will, I think it will be good. And also I want to continue with like 20 to 25 messages, or basically you can say 20. Okay, I want to keep it under the lowest requirement. Then our LinkedIn account will be safe. Like this is the strategy I used for my own LinkedIn. Okay,
I understand, but with this, for example, every day
20
we send 25
message.
direct messages, right?
Yes.
Now, is there option to send another 5, another 10 without passing the LinkedIn limitation?
Like 25 is good. Like don't do more than 25, because our LinkedIn account, the manual work, like we are visiting, we are commenting, as well as we are sending text. So it's a bit of pressure, like a lot of work they are doing every day. So that's why the lowest requirement, like 20 to 25, will be good. No, I think it will be not good if we increase the message limit. So keep it under
No, but
20 to
if I
25.
reach if I reach to 30, 30,
Hmm.
including the campaign, is this still safe?
Yes, safe.
Okay. Just to know, because if I want to communicate with somebody, and
Yeah,
on top of this, I
that's
have the
possible.
email.
That will be no problem.
Okay. Okay. Let's move to the hardest one, the cold email, the
Yeah.
outreach. So, what is our situation?
Here I'm making a I send you an offer, right? So I am as you told me to pick one and write some email. So I am using some standard lesson and making some offer with some formula, and we will cross check with our formulation offer and email and with your real email. Okay, so on the Boston, on the next campaign we can check on that. So as far we on the Florida campaign, 759 leads, and we have contacted already all the leads, and 15 people are reply. Most of the reply are out of office and they are not interested. And if we click here, then you can see how many. You can see 2% reply rate. That is a good number. 2, 3, it's a good number. Okay, so and here you can see we just total send 2188 email. Total lead was this, and finish
When it's
4.7%.
written
Like,
total, sorry, total leads, meaning total the amount of people in the list.
yes, total contact.
Okay.
Okay, so there is no unsubscribe, but bounce lead is 7. And this is you can see there is option for a step. So if you click on the step, so you can see in our email the first. Okay, let me make a duplicate and show you. Okay, so this email, this you can see is step 1 version A, right? Version number A, this is version number
Yes.
2. We are A/B testing version number 3. So you can see on step 1, version number A is giving us a bit of good result. it can be out of office or not interested or something like that. But in between A/B testing of 3 version, we are getting like much positive or much replied from the A version. That means in this 3 version, A is the winner. You can see 2.3%, and we already get replied from 6%. It can be out of office, not interested, but people are get replying from the first email. So sorry, so we can use this version. So I'm preparing a doc about all the email copy. I will send you maybe today or tomorrow. So we will use this first email and as well as our formulation email. So check which one give us again the good result. So that's it. This is the second, like step number 2. We get 0.4% reply, and step number 3, 4. So this is our result. You can see.
Okay.
So this is the step number. Basically, step number 2, 3, 4, 5 is not that much important, because the main important message should be on the first email, like they are opening our email or not. So
So you make the modification to Florida or only to Boston?
you told me you want both or only for Boston. All the campaign is almost
No, the campaign right now it's in Florida.
yes, Florida. The Florida will be finished the same as it is. We will don't do any changes. From the next campaign on Boston, we will like do some tweak about our formulation email as well as we do for our businesses. There is some formula for making offer, like there should be some pain point, your solutions, how what the solution you bring, and the time frame, which time frame you will giving the result, and the desired result. Okay, based on that, in a mix of we need, that's the formula, so we can make an offer. As well as like as my offer, we help agencies or B2B businesses to get
Okay.
3 to 5.
So you close it today, tomorrow?
The
When?
email I am writing.
Yeah.
Yes,
When you
I will send it. It can be today, today night or the tomorrow morning. In between that, I think it should be tomorrow. Give me one moment. After sending, you read it, and after that, if you need any changes, you will do it, and after that, we will check that version as well. So basically, I will send it maybe today night or tomorrow morning.
Okay. So you have the Florida.
Yes, Florida.
And then we want to run also Boston.
Yes,
So
Boston.
my question is as follow. September 1st, you closed Florida, you stopped Florida campaign and start Boston, or they are both running parallel?
We will stop. We will stop Florida, and we will start for Boston, because we have 20, like 12 emails. So our sending limit, email sending also has a limit, right? So that's why also you can see like the Florida campaign is almost finished. Okay, 58% finished. So in between 5 days, it will be like 80 to 90%. So we can stop this campaign and we can start on Boston September 1 campaign.
I see. Understood. Yeah, understood. And from your experience, are we in the right path with
Yes,
the
we are in the
email?
right. We are in the right path. We are finding our winning offer and finding our winning copy. Which copy is giving us good result and which is resonate to our targeted people. We are in the right track.
With God help, what I will tell you.
No, hey,
Inshallah.
inshallah. And let me tell you, seriously, you are looking so fresh today. Okay, so I don't know, like we're meeting couple of time, but today you are looking like chicken fry.
I'm running from the morning. I've been so many places at once. So many. I worked parallel, and I had to work parallel with my cell phone. I have some issues that I need to solve all the time, all of them at once. But
And what?
I don't know.
Like, what about your grandson,
Granddaughter.
granddaughter? Okay, so
Yeah,
What's her name?
her name is Tom. Tom.
Tom. It's not a boy name.
No, because in Hebrew, Tom meaning that uh you have an um, internal clearance. You are clean from any mistake.
Oh, okay. And in Bangla, it's called Porishuddho, Shuddho, Porishkar. There is no critical things in there. He is so pure.
Pure. Yes, that's the same. Pure.
Yeah,
Pure. She's lovely. I've been there 2 days ago.
yeah,
I did the hair, the bath and dress and eating with the bottle,
mm,
and I do everything.
yeah. And that's a good feeling, right?
Yes and no. Yes,
You are
because,
so diplomatic.
well, it should be great if I could come, just visiting and do putzi mutsi, hi, love, and go home.
So
Yes, but
maybe for
now,
30 or 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes for or 1 hour. It will be great, right? But
yes, but now I come to work.
yeah, we are also expecting one. So my father and mother are so excited to meet my children as well. So, uh, and they are
If God
very
help,
fond of them.
yes, yes, it's a great thing for being a grandfather.
Yeah, it's a blessing.
Yes, it's make you think about the age, about what did you achieve, what you could achieve. However, I thanks God to what
But
I have
believe
every
me, the
day.
age you are right now in our country, there is no people I can find the fit like you and like the way you are looking. Like as I told you, like you look like fresh and at the age of your, if you find just come in our area, there is no people, there is no one. Okay, all they are like big belly and beard and they are like sitting on a couch and don't do anything and just sit and enjoying their life. But the in the age
I
of,
enjoy life, but in
no,
my
I
age,
think they're not enjoying, they are also like they have pain. There is a lot of pain because in our country is not that much like financially stable. So but the way you are maintaining yourself and doing businesses in this age, it's tough.